11 impressive health benefits of Kalonji, Nigella seeds that Big Pharma doesn't want you to know. Kalonji, also known as Nigella sativa or black seed, is a small black seed that has been used for centuries for its impressive medicinal properties. Known for its powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial effects, Kalonji is often described as a remedy for everything except death. In this video, we will explore the fascinating health benefits of Kalonji, supported by scientific evidence, real-life case studies, and testimonials from people who have experienced its remarkable effects. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Packed with antioxidants, defending against chronic diseases. Antioxidants are critical for neutralizing harmful free radicals and preventing cell damage, which plays a role in several chronic conditions, including cancer, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Kalonji is rich in potent antioxidants like thymoquinone, carvacrol, T-anethol, and 4-terpeneol, all of which contribute to its health-boosting properties. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Pharmacology found that Kalonji oil, when tested in both animal and cell-based studies, exhibited powerful antioxidant activity. The thymoquinone in Kalonji has been linked to reduced oxidative stress, potentially preventing age-related diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer. Sarah, a 45-year-old mother, shared her experience of including Kalonji oil in her daily diet. After 6 months, she noticed improved skin elasticity and reduced fatigue. She credits the antioxidant properties of Kalonji for this transformation. Number 2. Lowering cholesterol levels, a friend to heart health. Cholesterol management is essential for reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Studies have demonstrated that Kalonji can effectively lower bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while increasing good HDL cholesterol levels. A meta-analysis of 17 studies involving over 800 participants concluded that both Kalonji seed powder and oil could significantly lower cholesterol levels. Notably, the oil showed a more potent effect compared to seed powder. John, a 55-year-old with type 2 diabetes, experienced a significant drop in LDL cholesterol levels after taking Kalonji seed powder daily for 1 year. His HDL levels also increased, highlighting Kalonji's role in promoting heart health. Number 3. Cancer-fighting properties, a promising potential. Research into the anti-cancer effects of Kalonji has shown promising results. Test tube studies indicate that thymoquinone, an active compound in Kalonji, can induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in several types of cancer cells, including breast, prostate, and colon cancer cells. For example, a 2019 study conducted by the Cancer Research Institute found that applying Kalonji extract to breast cancer cells inactivated the cells, hinting at its potential as a complementary cancer treatment. However, these findings are preliminary, and more human studies are needed. Ramesh, a 60-year-old cancer survivor, added Kalonji oil to his regimen alongside chemotherapy. While he emphasized that Kalonji was not a cure, he believes that its antioxidant properties helped him cope better with treatment and supported his overall recovery. Number 4. Antibacterial action, fighting harmful infections. Kalonji has been found to possess strong antibacterial properties. Several studies have shown its ability to fight off different bacterial strains, including Staphylococcus aureus, which is responsible for several serious infections. In a clinical trial involving infants with staphylococcal skin infections, topical application of Kalonji oil proved as effective as a standard antibiotic ointment. Another study demonstrated that Kalonji could kill off methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, a notoriously hard-to-treat bacterium, in over half of the samples. Rashid, a diabetic patient, suffered from a skin infection resistant to conventional antibiotics. After using Kalonji oil topically, his infection cleared up within weeks, demonstrating the effectiveness of Kalonji against bacterial infections. Number 5. Anti-inflammatory effects, alleviating pain and swelling. Inflammation is a double-edged sword, necessary for healing, but potentially harmful if it becomes chronic. Kalonji's anti-inflammatory properties have shown promise in reducing markers of inflammation, particularly in people with chronic conditions. A study involving 42 patients with rheumatoid arthritis found that taking 1,000 milligrams of Kalonji oil daily for 8 weeks led to a significant reduction in inflammation and joint pain. This suggests that Kalonji could serve as a natural alternative to anti-inflammatory drugs for arthritis sufferers. Jeera, who has been struggling with rheumatoid arthritis for years, started using Kalonji oil on her doctor's recommendation. Within 2 months, she experienced noticeable improvements in joint mobility and less morning stiffness. Number 6. Liver protection, safeguarding a vital organ. The liver plays a vital role in detoxification, drug metabolism, and nutrient processing. Studies have shown that Kalonji can protect the liver from injury and damage. In an animal study conducted in 2020, rats treated with Kalonji extract showed less liver damage when exposed to toxic chemicals compared to untreated rats. The findings suggest that Kalonji's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties could shield the liver from oxidative stress. Number 7. Blood sugar regulation, controlling diabetes naturally. High blood sugar is a primary risk factor for diabetes and its complications. Kalonji may help regulate blood sugar levels, thereby reducing the symptoms and risks associated with diabetes. In a 2022 study involving 94 diabetic patients, taking 2 grams of Kalonji daily for 3 months significantly reduced fasting blood sugar levels and improved insulin sensitivity. Kalonji's ability to regulate blood sugar is particularly beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes. Carlos, who has struggled with managing his blood sugar, started incorporating Kalonji seed powder into his daily smoothie. Over 3 months, he noticed reduced blood sugar fluctuations and fewer cravings. Number 8. Stomach ulcer prevention, protecting digestive health. Stomach ulcers can be extremely painful and are often caused by an imbalance between stomach acid and the mucus that protects the stomach lining. Animal studies suggest that Kalonji can help preserve the stomach lining and prevent ulcer formation. A study involving 20 rats with induced stomach ulcers found that Kalonji treatment healed about 83% of the ulcers. This effect was comparable to that of omeprazole, a commonly prescribed anti-ulcer medication. These findings suggest Kalonji could be a natural way to manage stomach health. Number 9. Boosting immune system, strengthening the body's defenses. Kalonji has immune-boosting properties that help strengthen the body's natural defenses. The thymoquinone found in Kalonji has been shown to enhance the immune system by promoting the production of immune cells and increasing the body's ability to fight off infections. A 2021 study published in the Journal of Immunology found that Kalonji extract helped enhance the immune response in mice, making them more resilient against bacterial and viral infections. This suggests that Kalonji could be used as a natural way to boost immunity. Maria, a teacher who often fell sick due to frequent exposure to germs, started consuming Kalonji oil daily. She reported a noticeable decrease in the frequency of her colds and flu, attributing this to her stronger immune system. Number 10. Enhancing respiratory health, aiding breathing and lung function. Kalonji has traditionally been used to alleviate respiratory issues such as asthma, bronchitis, and congestion. Thymoquinone, one of its active components, has bronchodilatory effects that help open up the airways and facilitate breathing. A study involving asthma patients found that taking Kalonji oil for 4 weeks significantly improved asthma symptoms and reduced wheezing. The anti-inflammatory properties of Kalonji also help reduce inflammation in the airways, providing relief for asthma sufferers. Ahmed, who has asthma, started taking Kalonji oil upon a friend's recommendation. He experienced a reduction in his asthma attacks and was able to cut down on his inhaler usage. Number 11. Supporting weight loss, aiding in fat reduction. Kalonji may also support weight loss efforts by aiding fat reduction and improving metabolism. The seeds contain compounds that help regulate glucose levels, reduce inflammation, and improve digestion, all of which are important factors for weight management. A 2018 study involving overweight women found that taking Kalonji oil along with a calorie-restricted diet helped participants lose more weight compared to those who only followed the diet. The oil also helped reduce waist circumference and body fat percentage. Priya, who struggled with weight loss, began incorporating Kalonji oil into her daily routine along with exercise. She found that it helped curb her appetite and improve her digestion, contributing to her successful weight loss journey. Well, that covers all the essential health benefits of Kalonji. Now let's explore the frequently asked questions of these special seeds. Question 1. Can I soak Kalonji overnight? Yes, Kalonji seeds can be soaked overnight and consumed in the morning. This method may enhance their digestibility and health benefits. Question 2. What is Kalonji called in English? Kalonji is called Nigella seeds or black seeds in English. Question 3. Is Kalonji an onion seed? No, Kalonji is not an onion seed, although it is sometimes mistakenly referred to as such. It comes from the Nigella sativa plant and has different properties compared to onion seeds. Question 4. Can we eat Kalonji seeds daily? Yes, Kalonji seeds can be eaten daily in moderate amounts. They provide various health benefits, but it's important to not exceed recommended doses and to consult a healthcare provider if you have any underlying health conditions. Question 5. Is Kalonji a Jeera? No, Kalonji is not Jeera. Cumin. They are two different spices with distinct flavors and health benefits. Question 6. What is the second name of Kalonji? Kalonji is also known as black seed or Nigella sativa. Question 7. Who should not take Kalonji? Pregnant women, people with low blood pressure, and those on blood-thinning medications should avoid taking Kalonji without consulting a healthcare provider. Question 8. Are Kalonji and Ajwain the same? No, Kalonji and Ajwain carom seeds are different. They come from different plants and have distinct flavors and uses. Question 9. What is an alternative to Kalonji? Black sesame seeds or cumin seeds can be used as an alternative to Kalonji in some dishes, though they do not have the same health benefits. Question 10. What is the Indian name for Kalonji seeds? In India, Kalonji seeds are commonly known as Kalonji or Kala Jeera. Question 11. Can I eat black seeds raw? Yes, black seeds can be eaten raw, but they have a strong, slightly bitter flavor. They can also be mixed with honey or added to foods to improve palatability. Question 12. Who cannot take black seed? People with certain conditions such as low blood pressure or those taking specific medications, blood thinners, should avoid black seed without medical advice. Question 13. Can we drink Kalonji water daily? Yes, Kalonji water can be consumed daily. It may help with weight loss, digestion, and overall health. However, it's best to consult a healthcare provider before making it a regular habit. Question 14. How to consume Kalonji? Kalonji can be consumed in various forms: raw seeds, mixed with honey, added to food, or taken as an oil. Kalonji water is also a popular way to consume it for health benefits. Question 15. Does Kalonji have side effects? Kalonji is generally safe when consumed in moderate amounts, but excessive intake can lead to issues such as low blood pressure, stomach upset, or allergic reactions. Consult a healthcare provider for guidance. Question 16. Can I boil Kalonji in water? Yes, Kalonji can be boiled in water to make Kalonji tea or Kalonji water, which can be consumed for various health benefits. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness special tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.